Hi friends, I am Dr. B.V. Rao of Usha Clinic and founder of the websites qmedicaldoubts.blogspot.in and raghavamedicaldoubts.com. Through these videos, I am providing the basic knowledge about the commonly occurring diseases, treatment and surgery details when necessary. For the medical knowledge to general people and for reference to medicos. Today I am going to discuss about the cataract symptoms and treatment. Cataract is a clouding of the normally clear lens of the eye, mostly develops gradually in the beginning. Stronger light and eyeglasses can help vision. Symptoms: clouded, blurred or dim vision, sensitivity to light and glare, seeing halos around lights, increased difficulty with vision at night, frequent changes in eyeglasses, fading or yellowing of colors, double vision usually in single eye. Causes. Usual causes are the age above 60, diabetes, trauma, eye surgery, long-term use of steroids, drinking, excess of alcohol, excess exposure to sunlight, exposure to ionizing radiation as X-rays and radiation therapy, family history of cataract, high blood pressure, obesity and smoking. Mechanism. As the age advances, the lens becomes less flexible, less transparent and thicker. Age-related changes cause tissues within the lens to break down and clump together, cause clouding small areas within the lenses and spread as the cataract advances. The cataract may be in one eye or uneven in both eyes. Types. Annular cataract. It usually starts at the center and causes improvement in the nearsightedness. Patient may get improvement in reading. Gradually clouding spreads around. Cortical cataract. Cortical cataract begins at the whitish wedge-shaped opacities on the outer edge of the cortex and extend centrally. The patient experiences the problems with glare. Posterior cataract. It starts as a small opaque area that usually forms near the back of the lens, right in the path of the light on its way to the retina. It interferes with the reading vision, reduces bright light and causes glare and halos around the light at nights. Congenital cataract. It may be present since birth due to mother contacted with the diseases like myotonic dystrophy, galactosemia, Loss syndrome or rubella. It usually don't affect vision, but if they are removed soon after detection. Tests and diagnosis. Visual acuity. Asking to read the chart with one eye closed. It shows if one have 20 by 20 or impairment in the vision. Slit lamp examination. It allows the magnification of the structures in front of the eye, like cornea, iris, lens and the space between the cornea and the iris, anterior chamber. Retinoscopy. Dilating drops are dropped in the eye to dilate the pupils wide for examining the retina and lens using a slit lamp or ophthalmoscope. Treatment. The only effective treatment for cataract is surgery. Surgery involves the phacoemulsification and implant and intraoptic lens. on an outpatient procedure by local anesthesia. Complications of surgery include infection, bleeding, or retinal detachment. The other eye problems prohibit the use of an intraoptic lens in some patients. In that case, once the cataract is removed, vision may be corrected with eyeglasses or contact lenses. That's all about the cataract diagnosis and treatment. We will discuss about the types of IOL in another post. And in the next video, I will discuss about some other diseases. Thank you.